Father's Day is coming up. Being a good dad takes more than just creating the offspring. It is their contribution to their children's life that defines a good father. A workshop being held by Family First aims to better educate males on being a good father figure. Jenny Leon Xingshu, the managing director of Family First, says their organization is focusing on relationships.
In connection with our vision, Healthy Families for a Prosperous Aruba, we continued in 2015 to focus on healthy relationships, because we believe that it is a key if you want to be prosperous in life, that you need to have stable relationships. We started off with a course for marital couples, premarital couples that are living together, and was a success with Amy Decor. And we continue in the month of June, related to Father's Day, you can say so, that we want to indeed focus on fatherhood.
The workshop is entitled Champion Dads. A positive father figure plays an integral role in a child's life. That is something that soon-to-be dads or existing dads needs to be more aware of.
We believe also, and it is proven all over the world, that the role that a father figure plays in children's life is very important for a positive identity formation of those children. If you look at our younger boys, the younger boys, and even if they are older, the impact that the father can make in their lives, but impartation, or in the sense that the way he relates to his son, the way he speaks to his son, will have this effect as in a stability and ability that a boy like this, a son, will develop in his further life development.
The same goes for daughters. According to Family First, there is a demand for this course. The role of the father entails far more than just being the breadwinner.
There are many people that are asking, father figures that asking, I want to be a better dad, but I don't know how. Can you help me? And it is all I want to say, that we're looking at a holistic view, approach of a father, whereby the father is not only there to financially provide, but that the father can be there physical, that the father can be there emotional, that the father can be there intellectual, you name it. All those different aspects, we believe that a father, we want to help fathers to be committed, to be responsible and involved in those children's lives.
The Tata Campeons, meaning Champion Dads workshop, organized by Family First, is a 3-day course. The classes are scheduled for June 10th, 17th, and the 24th from 7 to 9 p.m. The fee is 35 florins. For more information, call 584-2555 or email info@familyfirstaruba.org.